Yes. Let's get started.
Sir, 39, sir.
Huh?
39, sir.
अरे तंबी
42, sir. Sir, instead, can we just write our answers in the chat box because like the numbers
Yes.
keep getting mixed up when we tell.
Oh, okay, sure. Sure. Make it fast. See, I won't leave anyone. This is the correct procedure to follow in the class. I know that you guys are not studying at home, so you guys are not making work on that. Make it fast. Who else yet to join? Guys, am I recording? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, wrong answer. Everyone wrong. That is not a polynomial, first of all. That is not a polynomial. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. Now Disha will give me the answer. Make it fast. दिशा जी बताइए.
Sir, 39.
Wrong answer. अरे भाई वो तो polynomial ही नहीं है. That is not even a polynomial. How can it be a polynomial? Tell me. The power of the variable is negative number, right? Hmm?
Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, even though the power may be negative, but after we add them up, it's positive, no, sir.
What?
Sir, like, even though the power is...
Yes. Very good answer. Now if I give like this, I forgot to give constant. If I give like this now, so 24, so into x to the power of minus 9 into x to the power of 24, so 48 minus, so x to the power of 39, let's see it. So it is a polynomial, so 39 is the right answer. So if you have like this now, tell me if you have like that. Guys,
Sir, the highest degree would be 24.
Sir, it is not a polynomial.
sorry,
It's not a polynomial, sir.
it is not a polynomial. Very good. So I understood the difference between that. So now look at this, the roots of quadratic equation. Let us, have you gone through this? Any one of you, please, can you please explain me the roots? What,
Yes,
how
sir.
can we find?
Yes, sir. Sir, by factorization,
By factorization. What are the methods we have for factorization?
splitting the middle term.
Splitting the
Middle term.
splitting the middle term. Very good.
Sir, and another method by using quadratic formula.
Another method.
By using quadratic formula, sir.
Okay. Splitting the middle term. How
Indeed.
can we do that?
Sir, by factorization, sir, we should multiply ax square and c, sir. Then we should check whether it's a factor of bx or not.
Mm-hmm.
If it's a factor, we need to split them, sir, and then we need to take common between axc and bx, sir. Then we'll get some two roots we'll get, sir.
Okay. Any other? Anyone? Can any one of you? Very good.
So we can also do it by finding, by using this formula, the minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac, where the first variable is, so we just have to keep everything in the equation into the formula, and then we can find the root.
We can.
We can find the root.
True. See here.
So I don't know how to explain it, but I can do it. Like if you give us a question, we can do
See,
it.
very simple. Look at this. Roots of a quadratic equation are given as alpha is what? Minus b plus r minus b square minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And beta is what here? See here, plus or minus I'm saying. What is that? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here plus or minus in the sense one time plus, one time minus. That is combining together, we are writing that. Getting my point? That is the basic. Look at this here, where b square minus 4ac called discriminant. See, under the square root, whatever you have, that can be called as discriminant. Getting my point, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, isn't the root also involved in the discriminant?
No, it cannot be.
No, sir.
Simple b square
Okay.
minus 4ac. It won't be
Okay,
involved.
sir.
Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Just now I told that don't tilt your head like a Gangi Reddu. Everyone should respond. What is Gangi Reddu? What is that? What that can call be in Hindi? What can we call that?
Sir, bull.
अरे यार बुल को गंगी रेतु कैसा बोलता है? मुझे पता है बुल that is bull only. I'm saying that get up is called as what? Say you are behaving like that. That you know that get up bull also will be tilting the head like that. Okay. See here now, jokes apart. Now we'll derive how the derivation we got for that. How can we derive that? How can we derive that roots of quadratic equation? Look at this here. How are roots of equation found and what is the formula for that? So now we are going to check it out. See, ax square b plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Now I'm taking a common here. I'm taking a common, so I'm getting this term, right? So this can be written as what now? Look at this here. This can be written as I'm adding b square by 4a square on both sides. If I add b square by 4a square on both sides, I'll be getting this form. Getting my point? B square by 4a square I'm adding on both sides. So if I do so, I'm getting this form. So after that, look at this here. This same thing I'm writing here. So I'm shifting this to this side. So what I'm going to get now? Minus a. Again, I'm multiplying here 4a by 4a. Multiplying, dividing with a 4a by 4a. Understand? Proof is not important, guys. I'm just telling you how we got that. Getting my point? So x plus b by 2a. So the square will go this side. It will become square root like this. All right. So x is equal to now what? X is equal to minus This will go this is minus b by 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Combinedly, this can be written as minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is what the proof basically. So if you want, you can try at home, but proof is not important for your JEE exam. Okay, getting my point? Getting my point, children? I'll be sharing these notes, okay, with everyone. You can just go and refer that. Don't copy now. You can copy at your
Okay,
home.
sir.
Don't
Sir?
copy now.
So
Yes.
you're sending notes classroom, right, sir?
In Google Classroom. Yeah. See what's happening. The problem is, look at this. I understand. See here, if I'm writing, see if I'm not attaching this kind of typed pages. These all are already typed, right? Ready-made pages. These all are ready-made pages. So if I insert ready-made pages, if I take a print from the OneNote, I'm unable to send it. See, I'm able to send it, but you guys are unable to download it. So if I simply write and send it, then it is clearly visible for you guys. So whatever the pictures I'm inserting in the OneNote, if I take after inserting, if I take a printout of that, you guys are unable to see that. If I simply write without inserting any picture, without inserting any link, without inserting any what do you call that, any the diagram, whatever. So if I insert from out of, without excluding writing, if I insert something, you guys are not able to download that. So if I simply write, let me show you 1 second. Look at this here. Now see today, see, I just wrote everything, right? I just wrote everything here. I just wrote it. If I take print and make a PDF of it, if I send you guys, you can just simply, you can able to see this simply. You can able to download this simply, basically. Getting my point? It will be pretty easy for you guys. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. That's why it's
So,
not opening for
yeah.
me, sir.
So yeah. So I'll try to share the PDF from my general thing, not from OneNote. If I take from OneNote, it is coming like that. But I'll try to share these entire notes without without using OneNote. I'll make a PDF and I'll send you. Okay. Now let us solve the fourth question. Now look at the fourth question. Solve the fourth question. Find the root of quadratic equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. How can you find the root of that? Make it fast. Done. Very simple. Very simple. I have done with the answer. Guys, don't split like middle term. If you split middle term, like it won't come. See here. B minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A is my procedure, right? So this is my formula. What is A here? A, what is the A value? 1. What is
1
B value? 1.
plus
What
1.
is C value? 1.
1.
Everyone look at the board, please. Disha, look at the board. Don't write anything now. I'll share the PDF. Listen to the class. See, A1, B1, C1, right? So I'll be substituting these values in the given formula. Minus B means minus 1 plus or minus square root of B square means 1 square minus 4 times of A means 1, C means 1. Divided by 2 times of A means 1. So minus plus or minus 1 square is 1, 4 divided by 2. So now you will be getting complex number concept here. So this is what I got here, right? So now how can I write this now? Minus 1
So we
by
can
plus
minus 1 plus root
plus
3i.
root 3i. Very good. Or minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2i.
So that is nothing but omega and omega square.
Yes, nothing but omega and omega square. Which is omega and which is omega square here? Which is omega?
Minus 1 plus root 3 by 2.
Which is omega and which is omega square? Tell me.
So omega is minus 1 plus root 3i by 2.
Yes. See, understood, guys? This is how you can make it out. Simple. If you are, you can either split the middle term and just go for that. If not, you can just use the formula and you can make it out. Understood, guys? Any doubt? Any doubts? Next question.
No, sir.
Next, solve this question.
So I have to find the roots.
Sorry.
We
Yes.
need to find the roots. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sir? Sir?
And
Sir, I got minus 7 plus root 37 by 2.
minus 7.
Plus root 37 by 2 and minus 7 minus root 37 by 2.
Yes. What about others? Have you got? Have you all got?
Sir, I got minus 7 plus or minus root 2 by 2.
Plus root 2 by 2. What about Anjali and Dishaji? Done, guys. Have you understood or not? Tell me. Hello. Done with the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question, sixth question. Give a try for sixth question, make it fast. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Which equation? X square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. For that equation, alpha and beta are the roots. If an is equal to alpha n minus beta n, for n is greater than or equal to 1, then the value of a10 minus 2a8 by a8 by 2a9. This is JE questions. See, this question I got in my exam. When I wrote JE mains, I got this question. So solve this. When I wrote JE mains, I got this question. Still I remember the answer.
Sir, what is that symbol, sir?
Which symbol, sir?
Sir, after that, if A and that.
That is alpha. That is called as alpha. Alpha. That is alpha. Make it fast. An is equal to alpha n minus beta n given, right? So he is asking us to find A10, A8, A9. So A10 can be what now? Alpha 10 minus beta 10, right? So A8 can be alpha 8 minus beta 8. A9 can be alpha 9 minus beta 9, right? Make it fast now. Oh my goodness, 1 second, guys.
Sir,
Yes.
is it -3?
Was that?
Is it -3?
How? Can you please explain me now?
Sir, I did. Sir, we can take it as
See, guys, very simple question. How, Amrud? You explained, like you gave the answer, but that is wrong, but almost correct. How?
So 1 second, sir. I final steps.
Sir, my answer is
Your voice is
wrong,
lacking.
sir.
Your answer is wrong, but your voice is lacking.
Sir, I will do from the start.
So x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. If an is equal to alpha n minus beta n given, right? And where n is greater than or equal to 1, right? Then the value of a10 minus 2a times of 8 divided by 2a times of 9, right? So here a10 can be written as alpha 10 minus beta 10. A8 can be written as alpha 8 minus beta 8. And A9 can be written as, everyone look at the screen, alpha 9 minus beta 9. Right? So why we are writing this? See, an, in place of n, I am substituting the n value. In place of n, we have 10. So I'm writing like this. Right? So I got these 3 now. So what he is asking us to find? He's asking us to find what is the value of this one. What's the value of
Even I got 3 only, sir.
that one, right? So let us see. He's asking what is the value of this one. So how can we make it further? Look at this. We'll write. We'll substitute here. See, what is A10? I got alpha 10 minus beta 10. Minus 2 times of A8 is what? I'm substituting everything. Divided by 2 times of alpha 8 minus beta 8. Understood, guys? Let us make this as my star equation. Let us make this as my star equation. Okay. Star equation. He said that alpha and beta are the roots of given alpha and beta are the roots of x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here alpha and beta are the roots, right? So if I take alpha as a root, what I'm going to get 6 alpha minus 2. If I take beta, beta square minus 6 beta minus 2 is equal to 0, right? So alpha square is equal to what? 6 alpha plus 2. What is beta square? Which is going to be 6 beta plus 2. Getting my point, children? See here. second. I need alpha 10, right? Look at this here. I have alpha square, beta square I have. But what we need here? I need alpha 10. In tens, I need alpha 10, alpha 8 I need. So for getting 10, what I supposed to multiply here? For getting into 8. So if for getting into 10, let us multiply with alpha 8 on both sides. Let us multiply with beta power of 2 into beta to the power of 8 on both sides. So alpha to the power of 10 is equal to 6 alpha to the power of 9 plus 2 alpha
9
to the
plus
power of 8.
2.
1 1.
Yes, sir.
Beta to the power of 10 is equal to 6 beta to the power of 9
2 beta.
2 beta to the power of 8.
Yes, sir. Like
And
this.
this is what I got now. So let us say this as my equation number 1. Let us say this as my equation number 2. So I'm
And if we
substituting
subtract 2,
subtract the equation 1 minus 2. What if I subtract, what I'm going to get, how I got an idea that I have to subtract two equations from each other? Why? Because we have here alpha 10 minus beta 10, right? Subtraction we have here. So if I subtract, what I'm going to get, let us see. So alpha power of 10 minus beta to the power of 10 is equal to 6 alpha to the power of 9 plus 2 alpha to the power of 8 minus 6 beta to the power of 9 plus 2 beta to the power of 8. So 6 alpha to the power of 9 plus 2 alpha to the power of 8 minus 6 beta to the power of 9 minus 2 beta to the power of 8. So isn't it, guys?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Alpha to the power of 9. Look at this here. We have a beautiful option here. What is that option? So 6 alpha to the power of 9 plus 2 alpha to the power of 8 minus 6 beta to the power of 9 minus 2 beta to the power of 8. So let us take 6 common. I'm going to get alpha to the power of 9 minus beta to the power of 9. Let us take 2 common, alpha to the power of 8 minus beta to the power of 8 I'm getting, right? This is what I got. Let us see, let us say this is my third equation. This is what alpha 10 minus beta 10. Right? So substitute equation third in star equation. What was my star equation? Look at this here. So this was my star equation. So alpha 10 minus beta 10, let us substitute over there. Right, what I'm going to get now? 6 alpha to the power of 9 minus beta to the power of 9 plus 2 times of alpha to the power of 8 minus beta to the power of 8 minus 2 times of alpha to the power of 8 minus beta to the power of 8 divided by 2 times of alpha to the power of 9 minus beta to the power of 9. That is what my star equation, right? Isn't it? Look at this here. Same thing I'm writing here. Same thing. I'm substituting in place of this. In place of that, I'm substituting. Everyone turn on your cameras. I'm substituting this. I'm substituting third equation in a star. So look at this here. Multiply now. 6 alpha to the power of 9 minus 6 beta to the power of 9 plus 2 alpha to the power of 8 minus 2 beta to the power of 9 minus 2 alpha to the power of 8 plus 2 beta to the power of 8 divided by 2 times of alpha 9 minus beta 9. Now look at this here. Minus 2 alpha power of 8 plus 2 alpha power of 8. Right? Instead of doing that here itself, we can cancel. No. Instead of doing all this stuff, can I cancel here itself? Arey yaar, look at this. Plus alpha power of 8 minus beta to the power of 8 here. Here 8 no. Plus 2 minus 2. Can I cancel? Plus 2 minus 2 here. Isn't it, guys? Yes. So look at this now. And here 2 ones, 2 threes. Alpha to the power of 9, beta to the power of 9. So answer is 3 is the right answer. You said what? 3 here?
Yes, sir. 3 only.
So 3 is the right
Sir,
answer.
but till equation 2, I did the same method, sir. Next onwards, I did another method, sir.
Okay. What did you do after this?
Sir, I got the same only, sir. 6a power 9 plus 2a power 8. Sir, you took alpha and beta, I took a, sir.
Tambi, how can you take A, man? See, he only given the alpha and beta are the roots, right? How can you take that?
So, 1 second, sir.
He said that alpha and beta are the roots, right?
So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alpha and beta. This is another sum, sir. Yes, sir.
Which
Alpha and beta only, sir.
which is another sum again.
Sir, here in my book, sir, I told you the sum I wrote about, sir. Sir, then we will get as 3, sir, if subtracting. Then we use the identity alpha n is equal to alpha n minus beta n, sir.
Okay. Look at any doubt, guys? Any doubts? Tell me.
No, sir.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Any one of you? Chalo. Next question. Now we are going to talk about sum and product of roots. What is that? Sum and product of roots. So what is sum and product of roots? Sum of the roots means, let us say alpha and beta are the roots. Sum of the roots is minus b by a. Alpha and beta are the roots, so product of the roots is c by a. Already you might have learned this in 10th standard. Simple, isn't it? Yes or no? Turn on your cameras, Anjali ji, Disha ji. If not, do you want me to remove the out of the class? Huh. Sum of the roots is what? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is what? C by a. Getting my point? So based upon that property, let us solve the questions. Seventh question, everyone try to solve the seventh question. See, very simple question. Try to use the identities, algebraic identities. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as a square plus b square formula is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2 times of ac formula. Understood, guys? Plus 2ac. Yes, apply that formula, solve that. And look at this here. You take LCM, cross multiplication, solve this. Make it fast. Solve the question, try hard for the seventh one. I'll give 1 minute of time. Make it fast. Done. See, quadratic equation questions will be very simple actually. So we solved this question, right? Very simple question. This one is very simple, but the only thing is, we have somewhat lengthy calculation here. See, I'm teaching you, right? That is why the reason it is taking this much of time. If you solve, if you practice the questions, if you get connected, if you stay with your accuracy, I would say practice more questions so that you can solve that question within a minute of time. So very simple question. JE questions, as innocent as possible. Getting my point? JE questions it could be as innocent as possible. Very simple question, but the only logic is you have to solve many questions and understand the question. That's what. Understood, guys? Make it fast. Done. Chalo. Let me solve that question. Let me give a hint. You guys make it out at home. We'll solve 8th question. So look at this here. 7th question, what is saying? 1 by alpha square plus beta square. So in the denominator, can I write like this? In the denominator, can I write a square plus b square formula? What is a square plus b square formula? A plus b means alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta. So I know this sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta means sum of the roots. Alpha beta means product of the roots. What is sum of the roots here? Minus b by a. Substitute over there. Calculate it. Let me teach you one sum if you are not understanding that. Look at this here. He was saying ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? He was asking us to find 1 by alpha square plus beta square. Right? Everyone try to look at the board. So alpha square plus beta square, which means alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha times of beta. So what is alpha plus beta here? Minus b by a. What is alpha beta here? C by a. Right? So 1 by alpha plus beta whole square is what? Minus b by a whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta means c by a. So 1 by b square by a square minus 2 c by a. So take LCM. In the denominator, what I'm going to get? A square is my LCM. So b square minus 2 times of AC. So reciprocate b square minus 2AC. This is my answer.
Sir, why did you reciprocate? Oh, okay. Yeah.
We have fraction in the denominator, right? That's why. Are you guys all are from same school?
No, sir.
Okay. But you guys do not know each other, right?
We
You're
don't
not-
know each other, sir.
Okay. I thought you all are from same school. Okay. Chalo, that is the answer. That is the answer for first question. Look at the second question now. What is the second question? What is the answer for this? 1 by alpha square plus beta square. Take LCM. Solve it.
Sir, I got b square minus 2ca by c square.
For which one? For second one?
Second one.
Very good. Did you get first one?
Yes, sir.
What is third answer? Solve third one. Not now. Take your home and solve that. Not now. Next, 8th question. We'll go for the 8th one. Eighth one. If alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Oh, क्या हो रहा है? अरे यार. अरे wait. हाँ भाई.
Sir, I don't understand third and fourth question. Third and fourth parts of the 7th question.
We have only 3 questions. We do not have 4 questions. We have only 3 questions in that. We do
Oh,
not have...
I saw the second part as the fourth
Hey,
part. Okay,
no,
sir.
no. You are always looking half off. You are looking at half question and making mistakes. Don't do that. Make it fast. That is homework. Don't solve now 7th one. Everyone, see, this is homework, guys. So 8th one, try to solve 8th one. If alpha and beta are the roots of, alpha and beta are the roots, he is saying. So what is alpha sum of roots here? Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b
Minus b by
3 by 8. What is alpha beta? 27 by 8. Yes or no, guys? So substitute here.
Yes, sir.